Hey, it's me, Rainecaster. We are going to be doing a little opening, Sephora, first one ever. I've never actually even been in a Sephora store. I know, right? Okay, so you'll forgive that I look like a hot mess. As I'm filming this, it's Wednesday. I'm waiting for my bestie to come into town. I'm recovering from this fall I took on Friday evening, and lots of things are swollen up and not in places they should be. It's going to take a while to heal. Long story short. But, Sephora. Let's get to it, shall we? Yeah. Never ever ordered from them before. And I figured, why not? So they do the paper packaging, which is nice. It kind of comes in there. Probably flashed you my address like 40,000 times. I'm sorry, my arm is so itchy because it's healing. It's ridiculous. Yeah, a klutzy, right? You guys, you don't, it's just, yeah. Let's get to this, though. That's what you're here for. So I got this, the little sample set. I have a thing like this already. It is super amazing. It's really nice. It's really gentle. I've never tried the friction stick or the cleansing gel. So I figure, why not? It's itsy bitsy. If you do have a chance to get yourself one of these, I say get one. It's nice enough to, you can feel that it's taking stuff off, but it's not like, you know, like those buff puffs from back in the day, that sort of thing, or like a really rough face cloth. It's nice. It gets the job done without being overpowering. So I got this. I will let you guys know. It is a Sleep Plus pillow spray. Did I show you? Yeah, I showed you the French side. Now I'll show you the English side. Yes, it's very shiny. This is supposed to, now I've heard mixed reviews, but it's supposed to help you fall asleep faster, and it doesn't leave any schmutz on your pillows, which is good. So you open it up. It's lovely like this. I guess I could open that up for you guys, but I think you guys all know. Alright, I'm probably going to spray myself in the face, so this hurts trying to do this. Ooh, very lavender. Wow. That's quite overpowering. But right now, it's really actually very, very quickly, not faded completely away, but like, it's there, but it's not. I don't know how to describe it to you, but it's already made my day better. Let's open this one up so you can see the size of this in case you guys were wondering. They're teeny. So yeah, this is what this looks like. I've never seen it. Give you a little profile. I love mine. I have a purple one. It's super. So then you get itsy bitsy and itsy bitsy. Like, hello, the little fairies would like this. They're coming to play. We have travel size. I'm hopeful because they said it's okay with like sensitive skin and dry skin. So, yeah. I got some spray. Look, I know that I don't Urban Decay all-nighter. I know that I don't come off as using a lot of makeup, and I really don't currently, but I'd like to, just for the fun of it. I used to wear a lot when I was younger, so yeah. We'll see. I got a lot of stuff to play with, so, you know, like I said, I always say, oh, maybe we'll learn together. You guys probably know way better than I do, so. This was the investment piece. This, I saw, this is the Light Bulb Essence. It's oil in foundation. This was, in Canadian, $66. Hey, I think I did pretty well. I know it doesn't look like it because I'm a little red, but yeah, so beautiful little bottle. So what this has, it's supposed to keep you really moisturized. We'll see. Shake well before use. Dudes, I can't shake right now. Try. The perks of being klutzy, I'm telling you. They actually give you instructions how to open it too, which is probably good. Alright, to open. Boop. Oh, how cute. Okay. Cool. Yeah, you know your foundation is beyond you. When? So it's cool. I'll be playing with that for a few hours. It's like a cat with a friggin' toy. I'll be, look, it goes up and down. Because my skin gets dry, and I mean, you can see it's a little bit patchy and red right now. It's hard to find a foundation that doesn't end up like looking cakey on those. So that's why I like that little scrubber, and that's why I really wanted to try that foundation, because I was reading the reviews and people said it doesn't look cakey on those spots. So we'll see. I'm hopeful. So I also got this Cover FX. It is Calming Primer. See, guys? Itsy bitsy. Not too bad, actually pretty decent size. Helps reduce redness and soothe highly sensitive and irritated skin. Safe for those with rosacea. So it's a makeup primer and helps bring down the redness. I'm intrigued. I am definitely intrigued. This is a sample. This was eyeshadow primer. That's one of the little samples. So I'm always interested to try that. Other thing, my nails. I was so mad. I had them up to like not quite a coffin and not quite a stiletto. Kind of a, I'm calling it a cathedral because it looks like it looked like a cathedral arch. And they're very strong, but they start flaking and then they chip and then it's done. So I've been declawed. I'm happy about it, and my nails are gross and I gotta do them. This is taking forever. Yes, I know. It is repair oil. So everybody said who used this that this, when they put it on their nails and their cuticles, their nails grew better and they didn't do that weird peeling, flaking, too hard, brittle stuff. I am very hopeful. I am very, very hopeful. Because I can use all the help I can get. Because, yeah. So I will keep you filled in on that. And I will fill you in on the other stuff as well. This is a sample again. This is I don't want to spray it because I already have my perfume on, but I'm intrigued. I'm very intrigued. Should we give it a spray? It's going to smell horrible in here. You guys can't smell it. I can. The dog is going to look at me like, Mom, what are you doing? Oh, how cute. It's itsy bitsy. It's probably not a spray. Is it? Alright, let's see. Should we? Ooh. That's kind of nice. That appeals to a patchouli girl like me. Very much so, strangely. Okay, where else we got? This was another little bit of a thing, because I thought, yeah. This is my first, and probably I'll get more. It's Fenty Beauty. Her stuff looks amazing. It looks very well thought out. This is Fenty Glow. This is the lip gloss. So yeah, super, super cute. I love, like, that's really well done. So yeah, Fenty Glow. And should we try it on? It's so shiny. This is supposed to be universal, so I'm curious. I'm very curious. What do I have that I can use this? I will put it on with you. Ooh. First time. Let's have a look. Oh wow, look at the size on that. That's a decent size. You're not going to be doing, you know, the skinny ones that you never seem to be able to, like, get any kind of, you know, product on. Let's have a look. I could just use this, couldn't I? It's quite thick. It smells. I want to lick this stuff off. That sounds dirty. Don't go there. What do you think? It's hard. I know my lighting is shitty. It's a really crappy day outside too. Smell alone, man. Smell alone. It's quite heavy putting it on. It spreads out really nicely. It doesn't feel sticky. I say 4. I do. So far, winners. Alright, more samples. These ones are going to be obvious. This is the Peony, because I love Peony, from Stella McCarthy. I will let you guys know, I think we've sprayed enough. Chloe, free sample. And this intrigued me, the Jazz Club one. It really intrigued me. So we're going to see. I don't know. I'll fill you in. Alright, now we're getting to the bottom. Last two things. I was very tempted by her red, but I have so many red lipsticks right now. I think I need to wait. So I thought this was a good compromise. We'll see. I got some hairdresser's oil. Yeah. Good stuff. I'm hoping. We'll see. I currently use not that one, so I'm interested to see what this does. And, you know, because my ends get a bit, my hair gets frizzy. If it's raining or humid, my hair goes, yeah, so we'll see. And then I got this. This is grape water. This is also supposed to help soothe sensitive skin. So no need to blot. Alright. You know what? If I can't do it with you guys, let's sorry. No direction. How far away? You know when you're waiting for it, you're like, oh, it's coming, it's coming. Oh my god, it's gonna. Ooh. Doesn't smell like grapes. I'm disappointed. It's like it smells like a big old fruit cocktail here. There we go. Let's not be cheap. I guess it's kind of like the Evian water. I don't know if you guys back in the day used to buy, or maybe you still do, buy the Evian spray. But this is actually supposed to, beyond just hydrate or something, it's supposed to help soothe. I need all the help I can get. You guys, seriously, you guys will understand that. So that was my little unboxing that took way longer than it needed to. Way longer. I have a second box coming. It's some first aid cream. Again, to help with the face, the dryness, the irritation, and that. So I'll do a little mini with that. Oh, let me show you also what I got. This will be kind of a multi. I ordered finally from Lunatic Cosmetics. Hello, so cute. I got this big coffin. I cannot put this on right now. It is Lori. Yeah. It is a beautiful color. It is my lips, only better. Can't even describe it. I was so excited. Their packaging is awesome. Get it. Buy from them, honestly. I'm not knocking Sephora, but yeah. I'm also going to put this in, because what the heck? We got another box. I know, nail polish. I'm sorry, it just is. You guys know what's in here. I don't even have to tell you. More colors. More colors. Yes, please. I will do a swatching thing for you, but these are the current colors. This is Avalon, Diablo, My Little Glacier, and Siren. Siren, like the little mermaid. No, not like the Little Mermaid, but this does not do it justice because there's really no light on that side of the room. But I've been wearing the My Little Glacier. It's really nice. It's so beautiful, as all their stuff is. Depending on the lighting, it all changes, and I mean, it wears really well. So yeah, those two came, this and my Lunatics came a little bit ago, but I kind of wanted to just wait because I know I was going to film this and we can put it all together. Yeah. Alright, so now that I've sprayed and I can smell my lovely relaxing and my face is all, you know, nice and calm, it actually does feel a lot less itchy. You know, I mean, it's still going to be dry because it needs the extra moisture too, but it really does feel like it just chill out a little. Chill out. It's good. Yeah. Alright, so let me stare awkwardly at you again. I think we've got a lot of fun stuff. I'll keep you updated as far as how everything goes. But I gotta tell you, if you can get yourself a scrubber like this, it doesn't have to be Tarte, okay? I don't even know where I got mine. To be honest with you, I cannot remember where I got mine. Oh, Miss A. That's where I got mine. Shopmissa.com. I'm sure you could find it in like a drugstore or, you know, Sephora if you have one around. If you want to go with this, I'll let you know how this does with my skin, because my skin's kind of fussy. I do really like these. For those of you who really like the scour, you may not find it's enough, but it's a nice kind of mid-ground, I think, between just really floofy and not getting any kind of work done, and then that really, like, you might as well just take your nails and scrape down your face. So, yay! Thank you for joining me. I am now going to go Swiffer the hell out of my little pad here and try to clean it up a little bit. And get ready to see the bestie later. Yes, it will be long, probably come and gone by the time you guys see this, but I'm sure it'll be a good visit. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hanging out. Be sure to like and subscribe. All the links are there. If you're interested in everything else that I'm doing, go check out the hub at raineofiris.wordpress.com. And I've got a couple Redbubble shops. Links to those are there. Links to the Fine Art America. Links to, I mean, everything. Streaming's coming back. I'm just going to do a quick little update while we're here. It's hard. I can't really with this. I'm sorry if that made you puke. It's really quite tame today compared to the color it was. It looks like a little heart. Or, we're not going to go with the other descriptions I've had. Yeah. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for hanging out. Links are around the channel if you want to go check out my other channels, if you want to go check out the shops, if you want to go check out the hub. Thanks most of all for spending your time here. Come back and hang out as you can. And new content, as always, will be coming. There are some other openings and some other swatches if you want to go check those out. We'll see you back here again soon, I hope. Get the scrubber. The scrubber's so worth it. Scrubber's really worth it, honestly. Much up too close and personal, but scrubber, get your hands on one if you can. I'm not making a profit off it. I wish I'd thought of it, honestly. I'll fill you in on how everything works. Alright,